guys, welcome back to Itkil Diary. This is Nisha. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I don't know why I'm so excited. This feels like I'm catching with an old friend. Let's not stay away from each other for this long. Obviously, it was my responsibility to create videos and upload, but things happens, life happens, and 2025 is done. By the way, happy new year, happy 2026. And I am a short hair girly now. It was just a spontaneous decision. I did not think this through, but I'm kind of loving it right now, so I'm happy. And here's a story time. I made my vision board on today is okay, today's 18th. So I made my vision board on 15th of January this year. I was just not in this place to create the vision board in December, and that is perfectly fine. I was just so busy with my work stuff, the shoots, edits, the deadlines for the brands which we work with. We are a production agency, by the way, Social Welking. So I was busy with that, and I literally did not get time to think about the 2026, all the planning and plotting that we do at the beginning of the year. So I made it on 15th of January, and that is perfectly fine. If you haven't made your vision board yet, there is no right time to create it. Whenever you feel right, you can start your new year, start your journey, because it's your own damn life. So you are the main character, and start your journey whenever you feel it is the right time for me. So moving on to the next story part. So I made my vision board, and obviously the next logical thing to do was write down the action plan, strategy, plotting, planning to achieve all of those goals, right? So I started with my YouTube channel, because even last year that silver play button was on my vision board, and I did not get chance to work on that goal last year. I wouldn't say I didn't had the time. I had the time, but it was not the priority. So I didn't pour my energy on that. I was just, I treated it like a hobby. I created content whenever I felt like it, and that's it. And I was more focused on the business side of stuff, where we were acquiring new clients, working with new clients, expanding the team and everything. So I was more busy on that part of my business. But this year, obviously, I take that old goal, old picture, old vision board images, and put on new vision board, because obviously things happens, and if you didn't manifest the goal, one or two goals in the given timeline, don't feel sad, don't give up, because you can still achieve it in the next year, because life is still there. You are still young, you can achieve anything you put your mind to. So just move it forward, just move it forward, and make the new plan, make the new action plan, make new strategy. And that's exactly what I was doing. And so basically I started planning ki, okay, I will upload one vlog every Sunday, and shorts, so anyway I'm uploading. Whenever I upload talking reel to my Instagram, I repost those on YouTube shorts as well. So that was not the question. But for the videos, I was started planning, I started planning, okay, I'll upload this on this Sunday, next Sunday I'll upload this. So I started planning for the 4 videos, and then I started searching like, okay, what's working in the vlogging industry, who are the new creators. So I started looking for everything. By the way, let me know what you guys like to watch vlog wise. Do you like the curated vlogs like the Netflix show type, or you like the spontaneous authentic vlog where that creator is just sharing their journey? So let me know. So coming back to my story, so I was planning for that, and I was like, wait a minute, this is exactly the same mistake I made in the last year, like January 2025, where I was planning for the vlogs. I will upload like this, I will do this, these are the topics, this topic will go on this Sunday and everything whatnot. But as a business owner, as a production house owner, my life is so unpredictable. Like this Sunday I will be here, and all of a sudden next Sunday I will be in Bombay shooting for some another client. And sometimes even the studio shoots that we do here will extend for so long that I will not have the energy next day to shoot for the planned video. And this just never happens with me. And I was like, okay, how can I predict my life if I don't know what I'm doing on Thursday or Wednesday? How can I predict what I'm going to upload next to next Sunday. It just never happens. So I thought, okay, let's be spontaneous with that, because this year my main priority just my career and my health. Obviously you can see I have put on a lot of weight, so that is the part of my goal this year, like priority. And apart from that, the career is my only priority this year, nothing else. So I started thinking, if I want to put the theme for my channel this year, suppose the theme could be the someone who is trying to lose weight with balancing the career or just the business front, what I'm going to do. So I started brainstorming on that also, and then I had a thought, suppose I was leaning towards the weight loss journey because that is the main concern for me. So I thought, if I want to just showcase the weight loss journey, but what am I going to do when I am going out? I am out and I do not have anything to eat. So I have to eat something that is going to cross the 1200 calories. And I cannot put that up because that's not perfect. That's not real for the girl who is trying to lose weight, right? I was contemplating between what I want to do with my channel this year. So this is the conclusion. I am going to be me. I am going to upload wherever I am, whatever I am doing. There is not going to be any plan for this channel right now. So I'm just going to be authentic. So if you are someone trying to achieve your goal and being authentic, just enjoy your life and keeping yourself priority first, then just subscribe to this channel, because we are going to do this together. And I can promise you this is going to be the fun ride this 2026, because oh my god, I have so many things planned for this year, and so it's going to be fun year, I can promise you that. So just subscribe and let's have fun. This is actually the beginning of that. I literally got ready, and it is like 12:30 on Sunday. I just got ready and I thought to myself, okay, why wait? This is what is going to happen on my channel, so let's just put up the camera and talk about it, and that's it. So yeah, this is just the beginning. If you like this, and comment below what you guys like to see on the YouTube. I would love to know. I would love to find creators to watch, and I don't know, it might inspire me, and you can tell me what you want to see from my side. I can share everything. I love manifestation. I love quantum physics. I am working on my business. I am working on this new phase in my life where everything is new, the expansion and everything. So just comment below what you like to watch. And I promise you, if it is possible, I will create that. So yeah, bye. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, and Happy New Year. Bye.